So let the Christmas get you in a good mood. Let the Christmas get you feeling fine. Put on your dancing shoe and come with me tonight. We gonna rock till broad daylight. Yes. Is it recording? Oh, hold on one moment, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me hope that you're all doing well as you are preparing for the Christmas holidays. Now, talking about the Christmas holidays, if you have ever visited Jamaica or if you have ever been to a Jamaican Christmas gathering, you probably have had the taste of the most iconic, delicious drink that we have during the Christmas season, and I'm talking about the sorrel. Yes, this sweet, tangy, spicy beverage is packed with flavor and also tradition. And guess what? Today, I'm about to show you how to make your sorrel from scratch in a very authentic way. So before we dive into it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that you will never miss an upload from me as I share my delicious recipes. All right. Please go ahead as well and follow me on Instagram. It is Paul_MDTD. All right. So stay tuned as we go through the process together. So let me show you what I have here. I have my sorrel. This is what it looks like. It's from the hibiscus family, the petal from the hibiscus family. I get it fresh at the West Indian store. All right. I also have my pimento, some cloves, ginger, and cinnamon leaves. Now, I was looking for some cinnamon stick, but I can't find any cinnamon stick. So if you're watching and you're from the Spice Island of Grenada, or you're from Jamaica, please supply your brother, supply your friend with some cinnamon sticks. All right. So first things first, we want to make sure that we wash our sorrel to get rid of any impurities. All right. So I want to give it a proper wash. So guys, now that my sorrel is washed, what I'm going to do, I'm going to crush the ginger. Because we want to make sure that we extract all the flavor from the ginger. All right. Now, if you don't have strength like me, please feel free. You can just go ahead and grate your ginger. Right, so you just want to crush them. And in the meantime, I have some water on the fire. I'm going to bring that to a boil and then I will show you the next step. So just like this, you crush your ginger to release the flavor and the juice, all right? So stay tuned. Okay guys, so now that my water is boiling, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put in my pimento, cloves, garlic, and cinnamon leaves. And I'm going to let that boil for about 3-4 minutes to release all the nice flavor. All right, after which I'll put in the sorrel to steep. All right. You can smell the aroma. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the sorrel, washed and ready. Let's look at this. All right, so I'm gonna let it boil for about a minute or so to release the nutrients, the flavor, the color. Look guys, you can already see it. All right. So we're just gonna cover it, let it boil for about a minute or two, and then let it sit and steep. All right, so stay tuned. All right guys, let's just check in and see what is happening here. Wow. All right. So just like that. Let's look at it. Right, so we just want to turn off the fire and let it sit in the water and steep. Now, I prefer to leave it overnight to just extract all the goodness, all the richness. All right, but just leave it for a few hours until completely cool before you sweeten it. All right, and I can smell the spice coming through, man. It's smelling real good. Rich in color, smelling real good. So I'll just cover and leave for it to steep. And that's it. So folks, the sorrel is cool and steeped properly. Let's look at the color. And ready for straining. If you look even at the ginger, you can see that it's taking the color of the sorrel. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the petals and then strain it to get a nice smooth finish. Guys, if you smell the aroma in the kitchen, it's very, very nice. The cinnamon, the pimento, the clove, the ginger. Because like I've said before, remember that sorrel is a spice drink. So now that I've removed the bulk of the sorrel petals, I'm just going to run this through the sift or my strainer. Just like that. I'm going to run it again. Just so that we capture all the sediments. Okay guys, let's look at the richness. Smelling real good. So now I'm going to add sugar. Now let me say this, I'm going to use the brown sugar. I'm going to use about a cup of the brown sugar. However, be careful. Let me encourage you to sweeten to taste. All right? If you're not a person that likes a lot of sugar, then please refrain from using a lot of sugar. And I'm using the brown sugar to maintain the color and the richness. Also, it is less processed. All right. And you just mix until the granules are dissolved. Now for the kicker. This drink can be served as a virgin cocktail, or you can add rum and wine. Now I'm going to add some red label wine. This is optional. If you are not a person that likes alcohol, then please do not use it. All right. So I'll use 2 tablespoons of red label wine. And I'm also going to add a little bit of rum. Now this is the J. Ray and nephew. Yes, the entire family. You have to be extremely careful if you're going to use the J. Ray and nephew overproof rum, because this is like 63% alcohol content, right? And if you're serving to children, then you want to be extremely careful. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon, right? So, and then you just want to mix in, give it a taste to make sure that it is to your liking. And there you have it. Authentic sorrel drink for Christmas. See, one of the things I forget to mention is that the rum helps to preserve it. And this drink, guys, you can put it up, put it away, store it in a cool place, and it can last for months. When I was growing up, I used to see my mom put rice in a bottle. All right, so I'm gonna put it in a glass bottle for storage or until Christmas. My mom used to put rice in it, but to be honest with you, I don't know why. They said it's for preservation, but I don't know. So let me know if what the rice does to the sorrel in the comment section. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna store it in my bottle for Christmas. So there you have it, your authentic sorrel drink made from scratch. All right, and you want to serve this cold, so I have some ice cubes here. You pour, you serve it with your family and your guests. All right, so let me know what you think. Let me know how you make your sorrel in your country. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support on the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And let me hope that you have enjoyed the video where you make your own sorrel drink from scratch with fresh sorrel, of course, right? Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Please, I'm asking you, put a like on the video, because when you like the video, it also helps other viewers to see the content that I'm posting. Subscribe, share it with your family and your friends. I really appreciate you. God bless you. You can serve your sorrel with your fruit cake. Speaking about fruit cake, if you have not yet watched my fruit cake recipe, please go ahead and watch that. I have a whole video on how I make my fruit cake or black cake for Christmas. All right, so thank you. God bless you. Be safe on the street. It is Christmas time. A lot of accidents do happen around this time, so I am urging you to be safe, be vigilant on the street. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bon appetit. Very rich, not too sweet, just a hint of alcohol, not too much. I don't want to get drunk. I am not a drinker. Full disclosure. All right? I don't take alcohol, but just for the preservation. And also, I used to see my mother do it. So if mama does it, then it's okay. Blessings, everybody.